Hi everyone. Today we'll be learning about relationship in Salesforce and what are the different kinds of relationships and like one-to-one, one-to-many, etc. and the interview questions related to it, right? So what are the different kinds of relationship? This will be asked in the interview also. So this is a lookup relationship, master detail relationship, and there is was a few more like self relationship, external relationship, etc. And we'll also be seeing the related interview questions. So yeah, let's continue. So lookup relationship. What is lookup relationship? So it is a one-to-one relationship. It is a loosely coupled relationship. It does not support cascading. And what does cascading means? So it simply means that whenever the parent record is deleted, child record remains unaffected. Means the child record will not be deleted, right? So how? You can see here, like if there are two objects, right? So like account or contact, if or you can take any of the objects and set up a lookup relationship between them. So if you delete the parent object, the child uh, parent record, so child record will not be affected, right? And if you delete the child record also, parent will not be affected. So what does this means is, okay, no security setting or sharing settings are derived from one object to other. So if you delete and delete whatever you do, the changes in the record will not happen. Like it will not affect the other record, right? So now let's come to the part of master detail relationship. So what is a master detail relationship? A master detail relationship is a tightly coupled relationship. It supports cascading, means when the parent record is deleted, the child records are also deleted. In this, the child record inherits the property of a parent record, right? Means whenever you delete a parent record, the child record will also be deleted. But yeah, this will happen, and there are some other points also which we'll be learning further. So now we can take an example like of master detail relationship of student list and branch. So how what we can see is that if like you can see that there are various IDs of branch, or you can say course ID, right? So there are different courses and there are different professors for for different courses. So what will happen is that let's assume this to be a master object and a student list to be a detail object, right? And they both are in a master detail relationship. So what happens is that if there are various course ID, so a different student can be enrolled in different courses. Like Harry can be in course B1, Harry can also be in course B2, Jerry is also in B2, and every student has its own unique student ID, right? So what happens is that whenever we delete a course itself is deleted. Like if we will delete B1, then the B1 from B1 will be deleted from here also, right? Like student will be there, but that course and the student related to the related with the data will be deleted, because obviously the course doesn't exist anymore. Like if S1 is enrolled in the course B1 and S1 is also enrolled in the course B2. So if I will delete the course B1, or for any reason I'll shut the uh, course for a certain amount of time, and I'll be deleting it from my data. So what will happen is that entry from the in the student list, like various students are enrolled to various courses. So all the students for the course B1, all the data will be deleted, because why? Because B1 is for that moment of time, B1 is non-existing. It doesn't exist anymore, right? So I hope you have understood this well. So इसका सीधे सीधा मतलब ये है कि अगर मास्टर आईडी से पेरेंट रिकॉर्ड डिलीट हुआ, then from the detail object child record will also get deleted. Now master detail relationship के कुछ और points है. There are some more points like standard objects will always be on the master side of the relationship, and it's mandatory, right? So what all are the possibilities that for the master detail relationship to exist? So if the standard object is on the master side and custom object is on the detail side, it can exist. If on both the sides there are custom object, it can exist. But if the custom object is on master side and on the detail side there is a standard object, so it will not exist. And if both are also standard object, then also master detail relationship will not exist, because I have told you earlier that standard object cannot be on the detail side, right? Yes. So this is it. Now you can be asked in the interview that uh, suppose there are two objects, one is custom and one is standard object, and then we have to establish a master detail relationship between them. So can we establish a relationship between them? So you can say that yes, we can establish a master detail relationship, uh, but keeping in mind that uh, we have to keep the standard object on the master side and the detail object on the sorry the custom object on the detail side of the relationship, right? And they can also ask like both the objects are standard objects and they are not unable to establish a master detail relationship. So is it so why is it so? So you can again answer them that that standard object cannot be on the detail side of the relationship, right? Now, next, there is relation also called self relation, and what is that? A relationship with the object itself is called a self relationship. Uh, so what is it? So basically, what it refers is as let us take an object of student list. So in this list, we have another added column for a referral ID. So what it just specifies is that some of the students can also refer to various courses or other students' courses. So what we can do is that uh, to uh, to make a decision to enroll or not. So there are different IDs provided to them, and you can see that one of the student with ID R1 has referred to course B1 with a student, and R2 with to the student S2 with the course of B2. But yes, and in case of B3 course, no one has referred, so it is empty. So it's basically a relationship with the object itself. We name it as self relation, right? Now, next, difference between so master detail और लुकअप के बीच का क्या डिफरेंस है? सो master detail, it is tightly coupled, whereas a lookup, it is a loosely coupled. Now in master detail, it supports cascading, and lookup, it does not support cascading. So here, in case of master detail, if a parent record is deleted, child record is also deleted. In case of lookup, if parent record is deleted, child record remains unaffected. Now r- we we can use roll up summary, or we can make a roll up summary field in case of master detail relationship, but we cannot like a roll up summary field cannot exist in case of lookup relationship, right? Here it supports inheritance, here does not support inheritance. Basically what it means is, if we do some changes in a master object, the changes will also be uh, shown on the child child side, but uh, the same does not ceases to exist in case of lookup relationship, right? Now next. So here are some of the interview questions also, which you may face during your interview, of course. So what is a master detail relationship? Now, difference between lookup and master detail relationship, limit of master detail and lookup per object. So limit of master detail and lookup per object is limit of master detail is 2 per object, and limit of lookup relationship is 40 uh, per object, right? And now what is controlled by parent? So you can controlled by parent, this question you also may face. Now, what happens if we delete a master record in master detail relationship, and what happens when we undelete the master record? So yes, this is a very common question which you may face, is that whenever we delete a master record, the child record gets also deleted, which we have already read. And the answer to the second part of the question is that whenever we undelete the master record, the child records also gets undeleted, right? Now, can we convert a master detail relationship into lookup relationship? So yes, we can do, but we have to make sure that there is no roll up summary field in the master detail relationship, right? Now, can we convert lookup relationship into master detail relationship? Yes, we can do that, but first of all, we have to make sure that every record contains a parent record. Then only we can convert it into a master detail relationship. So yes, these are the questions, and I'll be covering more and more topics in the upcoming videos. So yeah, keep watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.